Hello friends, welcome back to Novita Creations. Today I am showing stuffed brinjal fry. In Telugu it is gutti vankaya fry. For that you need 1/4 cup of peanuts, 1 spoon of sesame seeds, 1/4 spoon of garam masala, red chilli powder as much as you required, salt as much as you required, 1 small onion and 1 inch ginger grated, and you need 250 grams or 10 brinjal like this. First we need to take a pan and we need to add our peanuts. We need to dry roast them until they slightly changed the color. It will take at least 3 to 5 minutes, and while you are doing peanuts frying, you must have to stir occasionally to avoid burning. If you see here, these are slightly changing the color and we need to stir occasionally like this. These are only one side changed the color but other side not, but so we need to stir occasionally and we need to keep them for 2 more minutes. Now peanuts slightly changed the color, we need to add our sesame seeds in it. The pan is already heat, so we will keep them for just 30 seconds and then we will turn off. Now we will turn off the stove and we will take them into a plate to cool them for few minutes. After you take peanuts and sesame seeds into a plate, you need to take the same pan and you need to add half spoon of oil in it. Once oil is heat, we will add our onion and ginger. And we will fry them on low flame. Until slightly onions change the color. We just add some salt in it because if we pour salt on onion will fry and soften very quickly. Now onions slightly change the color and softened. We need to turn off the stove and we need to add our salt, chilli powder, garam masala and turmeric, and also our peanuts and sesame seeds in it, and we need to let them cool off for 5 minutes and then we will grind it as a coarse paste to stuff our brinjal. Now I took all of our ingredients in a blender jar and I am adding just 2 spoons of water in it and I will make as a coarse paste. After you made stuffing like this, you need to slit brinjal like this and you need to open and stuffing should be.
It smells great from here, Chippa. It smells great in Chippa.
Like this. You need to stuff all the brinjal as I shown. Do not stuff too much. If you stuff too much, then they will break.
While you are cooking this, right? My favorite dip.
So you need to stuff as I shown here.
Okay. Take out the excess.
Take out excess of your stuffing. You need to stuff all of them like this. Now we need to take an empty pan and we need to add 1 tablespoon of oil and we need to add our cumin seeds. I forgot to mention at the start of the video, but we need to add cumin seeds in it. Once cumin seeds are popping like that, we need to slowly drop our stuffed brinjal in this. And we need to put these and we need to fry them on low flame only, and you need to flip one side is cooked. If one side is cooked, then we need to flip another side. Now we need to put the lid on and we will keep it for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. After 2 minutes, we need to use tongs to flip another side. If you don't have tongs, just use wooden or steel one. Now we need to close the lid. After 2 minutes, we will flip another side as well. Just to make sure, flip all sides. Flip wherever side is not cooked. Just use 1 spoon of water so that they will cook properly. This is optional step. If you don't want, just skip it and cook it for another 5 minutes, just like flipping whichever side is not cooked. We will flip another side which is not cooked. This side is not cooked, so we can do also with hand, but very carefully, because this is hot pan and we will put the lid, and within 2 to 3 minutes our stuffed brinjal fry will be ready. Now our stuffed brinjal fry is ready because If you turn all the sides, it is cooked very well. So we will turn off the stove and we will let it cool, and we will serve these stuffed brinjal fry with chapati or dosa or rice or naan. It is good combination. Stuffed brinjal fry is ready to serve. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching Novita Creations. Please subscribe, like, share, comment Novita Creations. Please recommend our channel to your friends and relatives. Once you subscribe my channel, please activate or hit the bell icon to get notified my future videos as well.